Jungle of Wonders. The final chapter, 9. The Jungle's Protector. Recap. In the previous chapter, Taro obtained the glowing heart of the jungle after proving himself to the guardian spirit. As he stepped outside, the jungle transformed, trees grew taller, flowers bloomed, and the animals came out of hiding. However, his joy was tempered by the sight of storm clouds on the horizon. With the heart pulsing in his paws, Taro understood that the jungle's fate was now in his hands. The storm arrived with a ferocity Taro had never seen before. Trees bent under the force of the winds, rivers churned wildly, and animals huddled in fear. Lightning illuminated the dark sky, and thunder roared like an angry beast. Standing tall at the heart of the chaos, Taro clutched the glowing heart tightly, feeling its warmth flow through his body. Focusing all his energy, he closed his eyes and whispered, "Help me protect my home." The heart responded, its light spreading out like a shield over the jungle. The vines began to lose their strength, the rivers calmed, and the trees stood firm. It was as if the heart and the jungle were working in harmony, with Taro as the bridge between them. Suddenly, the storm clouds above swirled together, forming the shape of a colossal, shadowy beast. Its glowing red eyes fixed on Taro, as if testing his resolve. The guardian spirit's voice echoed in his mind, "This is the final challenge, Taro. Face it with courage, and the jungle will forever be safe." Taro planted his paws firmly on the ground, his gaze unwavering. With a mighty roar, he channeled the heart's magic into a beam of golden light that pierced the storm beast. The shadow dissolved, and the clouds scattered, revealing a sky full of stars. The jungle was safe. As the animals emerged from their hiding places, they surrounded Taro, their eyes filled with gratitude and awe. The guardian spirit appeared one final time, its form shimmering under the starlit sky. "You have done what no one else could, Taro," it said. "You are not just a tiger, you are the protector of the jungle. The heart will remain in this land, its magic tied to your bravery and kindness. Remember, as long as you stay true to your values, the jungle will thrive." Taro looked around, his heart swelling with pride and love for the place he called home. He had set out as a curious adventurer and returned as a true guardian. From that day forward, Taro became the protector of the jungle. Whenever danger threatened, the animals knew they could rely on him. The heart, now enshrined in the center of the jungle, radiated a peaceful energy that kept the land safe and flourishing. Taro's adventures were far from over, but he knew that no challenge was too great as long as he had the heart's magic and the support of his jungle family. And so, under the starlit canopy of the jungle, Taro lay down to rest, the soft whispers of the heart reminding him that he was exactly where he was meant to be. The end. Did Taro's magical adventure spark your imagination? Hit that like button, share the magic with your friends, and subscribe for more thrilling tales. Remember, just like Taro, bravery and kindness can light up even the darkest paths. Glowing star, close your eyes, dream big, and let your heart guide you to magical adventures. Good night, little heroes. Sweet dreams.